Hey everybody, welcome to video number 1 of the 6th series Breaking Through Success Patterns video. So let's get started. I first of all want to talk about why some of us are not manifesting our biggest desires and goals using just the old law of attraction methods of affirmations and positive thinking. Now, if you don't know why that is, it's okay because you're not alone. About 90% of the population is right there with you. I used to be one of those people. And so many people jumped on the bandwagon of the law of attraction, positive thinking, affirmations, scripting, and even using magical potions and rituals. Now, those methods, they really do work, but up to a certain point, you're going to start finding that you can't break the manifestation ceiling, which can leave you feeling stuck in that desire versus fear cycle that you guys hear me talk about a lot. So this happens because there are emotions and thoughts from the past that run on a loop in our consciousness that creates a barricade to the change that we seek. And no amount of affirmations or magic potions, rituals can help you break through that barricade. They do serve as a temporary band-aid, but there's more things that we got to do. So I call these thoughts and emotions success blocking patterns because their job is to protect you from the unknown. And this is where all of our unmanifested desires live. And there are many kinds of success blocking patterns, but most people tend to fall within one or all 4 of these main categories. So the first one is doubt. They don't truly believe that they can have whatever it is that they want. Number 2, self-worth. There is an underlying belief that they aren't enough and they don't deserve what they desire. Number 3, fear of success. That's a big one. Getting what you want is too hard. You have to sacrifice everything and work yourself into the ground to make your dreams a reality. And number 4 is another big one, fear of failure. So you've tried a manifestation technique once or twice, it worked, and then all of a sudden it didn't work, or you are afraid to get out there and really do something for the first time, okay? So if some of these sound familiar to you, don't worry. Just remember that it's not really you, it's your programming, and we can change that. That's the beauty of all of this. And I speak from experience. I didn't know how to break that vicious cycle of desire versus failure. And this cycle left me feeling depressed, overweight, anxious, angry, and at one point I was very, very close to suicide, and I've shared that story with you guys before. But I knew I had to change something, and I knew it was something inside of me. And by implementing what I now call the Be Magic method, I learned how to gain control of my thoughts and transmute the energy of my emotions to manifest what I wanted instead of what I am programmed to have or was programmed to have. So this led me to a rewarding career as a life coach and teaching others how to do the same thing using these methods. So for those of you who don't know, I am Shara Prophet, the Mind Magic Coach. I am certified in clinical hypnotherapy and neuro-linguistic programming. I've helped hundreds of people just like you break through success blocking patterns using the Be Magic method. Be Magic stands for bold, empowered, mindful, agile, grounded, intentional creator. And one of my Be Magic graduates came to me at a time when she was feeling blocked in her own abilities to create her superior quality lifestyle. You guys are going to hear me say that phrase a lot. And she had been having problems at her job of 8 years where she held an executive title and received a salary of $250,000 per year plus annual bonuses. Now, even though she was using some of the old law of attraction techniques like daily affirmations, scripting, and positive thinking, she still felt unfulfilled. She felt angry, exhausted, and unappreciated. She had no desire to continue on that path. I mean, who would? But she also felt stuck because she wasn't sure how to move forward. And being used to living a certain lifestyle triggered fears of losing her stability and everything that she worked so hard for. This situation started to affect her sleep. She gained 15 pounds and was starting to develop unhealthy spending habits to help her self-soothe. And she felt even more stuck because she needed the money to support her spending. So she felt like she couldn't get out of the job. So after we did an assessment session, we found that she was dealing with all 4 of the main success blocking patterns: doubt, self-worth, fear of success, and fear of failure. Her pattern was creating this push-pull effect, which was triggering the inner conflict of the desire versus fear of the unknown, which kept her in a loop of manifesting all of the things that she didn't want. So let's fast forward to a year later. My Be Magic graduate is now a successful business owner, living a healthy, happy life on the beach here in sunny Southern California with her partner. She travels frequently. She creates her own schedule. She's doubled her income working for herself, by the way. So if you're ready to learn how to reconnect with your inner power and start to get laser focused on your goals and activate your natural magical ability to design your superior quality lifestyle, you're going to want to join me in the next video where I'm going to show you how to start implementing the Be Magic method. I'm going to walk you through a very powerful process that will get you on the path to designing your unique quality life. And in a few days, I'm going to open up enrollment for the 5th cycle of the Be Magic method. It's an 8-week course. It's called the Be Magic Manifestation Program. And I would love to teach this method to everyone, of course. However, I prefer to keep my groups very small and intimate so that each student gets the attention and the results that they deserve. So with that being said, there are only 8 spots available. So it's a good idea to get your name on the early bird wait list as soon as possible. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, please feel free to message me. I would love to chat with you and assist you in any way that I can. So remember to tune in for the next video so you can start using the Be Magic method to create your superior quality life. I look forward to seeing you guys there.